at Whidbey Island in Washington State, 70 miles an hour right now. So
Crazy.
that's
Wow.
a big time storm. Yeah, and we're going to get part of it. The parent trough is coming toward New Mexico. So let's get to it. Show you what's going on. We got a lot to talk about. 48 degrees in the metro area right now. Winds are not a huge factor out there. And the winds we're going to see are going to be coming out of the west along with the cold front as we head into Saturday. More on that in just a moment. As far as the current conditions out there and the temperatures go, 20s and 30s off to the north, some 40s out to the east, and then down to the south, temperatures mainly in the 40s as well. This is a look at the storm, which is sitting off the coast, but we are just ripping in a ton of moisture into places like San Francisco, into the High Sierra, and up around the Pacific Northwest. It's mainly a wind event up there where they're just getting battered by the wind as well. And what we'll see here throughout the night tonight is the moisture, which is currently around the San Francisco area, will start to dive down, head into L.A., and then the storm itself, the trough, will come through New Mexico over the weekend here. So let's get to your storm report. Right now, the storm is continuing to work its way into the California coast. Timing is Saturday through Sunday at this point. What to expect? Well, I think mountain snow to the north is a certainty. Snow showers across the northeast are a possibility. And showers in the metro area are likely to happen along the cold front, but I'll explain why this is a little dubious here in a second. And I'll also explain why we have a bust potential on this of 55%. Look, I think we're going to get the cold front with this storm as it comes on through, but it's the track that is so critical to making a really good storm across New Mexico. Current models indicate that this thing could end up just across the northern third of the state with the core of the main storm. What that would lead to is snow across the northern mountains, and as the front comes through late on Saturday, we get some rain showers here in the metro area. Now, what could change this? What could make this more of a big-time storm? Only about a 100-mile dive to the south, which some models have indicated is definitely not out of the realm of possibility at this point. But if the storm does go this far to the south, what it would mean is we get more lift over the metro area, and we could see some snow showers into Sunday morning. So there's a big difference with a little track difference between the two. And if we do get more of that southerly track, central sections, again, we're not talking about huge snow amounts here, but we could get a bit with that southerly track and heavier snow to the north. But that's what we've got to iron out over the next 24 hours. If that track's a little farther to the north here in the metro, what we're going to end up with is mainly just the cold front. So let's go through the tracks here. Across western New Mexico, showers begin early Saturday, snow for the San Juans, and rain showers across the western portion of the state along this cold front, 6 to 12 inches in the San Juans. Here in the metro, assuming the track is a little more to the north, we get northern mountain snow, and we get a period of rain here in the metro area coming up on Saturday night. 4 to 8 inches of snow will be a possibility across the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. And a little wraparound moisture on the backside of this storm for the northeast could bring a little more snow there. Otherwise, main impacts here, some gusty winds and maybe some travel concerns across the northeast. But as you can tell by the way we depicted the moisture here, there's less of it across the east by the time the storm gets there. More on the track tomorrow so you can plan your full weekend. We're looking at showers across southern Colorado by Saturday, and of course mountain snow. By the way, we have 2 more storms headed our way in the next 10 days. 54 Cuba, 56 in Farmington, and 57 in Gallup. We're looking at showers on Saturday. Across the southwest, we are looking at plenty of cloud cover for tomorrow as the storm approaches, and showers on Saturday along the front. To the southeast, notice what's going on here. We won't see as much shower activity here because the front, by the time it gets to you guys, won't have as much moisture. Across the northeast, the day to watch here, I think, is mainly Sunday to see if we can get wraparound moisture going. In the mountains, I think we're looking at the mountains getting snow Saturday and on Sunday as well, and then Wednesday and Thursday of next week. East Mountains, sun and clouds. We could see a little spot fog again. Northeast and southwest could see spot fog overnight as well. But the big story will be Sunday, seeing if we can generate some showers in the East Mountains and here into the metro area. Partly cloudy, really increasing clouds throughout the day tomorrow. And then we're looking at the possibility of a couple of sprinkles, I think, especially along the front. Again, coming up late on Saturday. Sunday's dubious on whether we're going to get any showers going, you guys. That's all on track. We'll nail it down tomorrow.
All right. Good stuff, Mark.